Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today I want to show you how to create atmospheres, in special that kind of spooky atmosphere that sometimes you hear in horror movies or sci-fi effects. So let's dig into it, and you will see what I'm talking about. Okay, so for now, let's insert a MIDI track. I'm gonna use Wavetable, but you can also use other instruments as operator, analog, but this one has a lot of waveforms, so you'll be able to get different tones of your own atmosphere. So it will be better than the other ones. So okay, let's hear what we got. Pretty cool, right? So let's shape a little bit the amplification envelope. Okay, so for atmospheres we want something like a pad, so we want a little bit of attack and a little bit of release. So it sounds like this. Okay, long note, like a cloud passing by through your ears. Beautiful. Okay, cool. So in terms of the waveform, there is a lot of waveforms that you can explore, but we'll start with the complex. And for example, this one, transformations, I think is okay. Sounds cool. So we have our basic wave, and now we want to give that feeling of space, right? So we want to use a reverb mainly. Okay, so it will sound like this. Okay, it's almost the same as this, but if we put it all the way up to the reverb instead of the convolution, it sounds more long and deep. So let's increase the decay. Okay, I like this. Okay, cool. So now maybe let's change this a little bit. So we want to do this. Okay, maybe from here to here or something like that. So we can use the matrix, and we can use all of any of these envelopes to do that. Let's try to use the amp to control the oscillator position. Okay, sounds nice. The opposite, I prefer the other one. Cool. Very cool. Also, we can use a unison. There is a lot of modes. One of my favorites is the position spread. Okay, we don't want that higher frequencies of our atmosphere, so we want to cut a little bit. Also, we can use an LFO to control this. So it's here. Let's use this one. But we want like just a little bit. Yeah, something like this. And in a very slow time. Low resonance. Okay, it sounds nice, but it's missing something, right? But let's hear with the music. Oopsie. Let's try different notes. Okay, sounds cool. Not bad actually, but let's try to use this, to use the size of the reverb to control the pitch of the sound. For that, we want to put our reverb in 100% wet, and let's change this. Okay. I'm very sorry for that. Let's put a limiter just in case. Well, in here, -5. Actually, let's put one here. Okay. Sounds pretty cool. It sounds awesome, but now we need to take care of some frequencies. Okay, we don't want to pick this, so let's cut the low end. Let's decrease a little bit in here also. Let's put the shelf, something like that. And let's put after the reverb. I think these will fit very nicely in transposition 12, one octave higher. Sounds nice. Okay, so let's use modulator LFO to control the size. Okay, of course not like this, but just a little bit of depth, like I would say 10%, and a very slow time, maybe a little bit faster. Yeah. And let's put the position in 20%, around that. So for me it's better to put one note here. I think I'm play this note. Okay, C4. Let's put C4 and let's hear. missing the high. Oh, okay, yeah, it's because of that. Let's put like this. Put a little bit more of depth, and instead of the amplification to control the, I'm sorry, the LFO. Yeah, it could be the LFO, but a little bit more, and maybe a little bit faster. Where is that? We are hearing the release and I mean the tail of the sound with the beginning of the sound again. I think if we put this in mono it will not happen, but let's. Sounds cool. Let's try different notes. Sounds pretty cool. Let's jam a little bit. Okay, this is cool. Let's try a different wave now. Wow, this doesn't sound cool. Maybe this. pretty cool. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, and follow me on the social media. And I hope this will be useful and you apply it on your tracks. So have fun. Thank you very much. Bye bye.